So we created this playlist card, right? And we added this in the home screen, home page, and it looking good. It has this hovering effect, and it has this slideshow, right? Now, if you look at these cards, right, all of them, all three of these cards, they have Green Day's, slideshow of Green Day's, artist, right? Or it has the same slideshow. What if you wanted to have different slideshows in each of these cards? Let's take a look into this, and in this video, that's what I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so go back to Figma, right? And this is your home page, and this is your playlist card, right? Under this playlist card, you have this slideshow Green Day, which is this, and this is where you have this prototype going, of this, these arrow buttons linked to these three images, right? You click on this arrow, it goes to second and third and so on. So this is the slideshow. So what we want to do is basically create a new slideshow with a different artist, and then replace replace the Green Day's slideshow with the new slideshow that you created. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So to create a new slideshow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy and paste this, right? Copy and paste it. So I'm going to call this slideshow explosions in the sky. Okay, and that's the artist that I want to create the slideshow for, and I want to have 4 images instead of 3. Okay, so let's see how are we going to do that. Okay, so yeah, you basically made a copy of the first slideshow you have already there. So after you have copied it, change the images basically, right? So for this, I clicked on image layers, and then now go ahead and image 1, image 2, image 3, right? And I also want to have one more image, so let's expand this a little bit and then add a new instance. Okay, I'm sorry, new variant. So in this variant, we want to have the 4th image, right? And there you go. And I also want to change the name because I want to be consistent. Image 1, 2, 3. So image 4. All right, or yeah, image 4. Now, since we added a new variant, right? And the prototype in this, we only had like 3. In this component, slideshow component, we only had 3. So the prototype was done up to the 3rd, right? So now we have 4th. So we need to make some changes to this. So let's see. When someone clicks on this button, it should go to the 3rd one, right? So let's see what's happening. It goes to 2. So it should be going to the 3rd one, right? There you go. And if someone clicks on this button, it should take you to the 4th, right? 4th image, so it should be there. Okay, and now just to make it visually more clear, what I'll do is I'll change this a little bit so that it's more clear, like what image, what is connected to what. So okay, all right. So when someone clicks on that, it should go to the first, the last image, right? and when someone clicks on this, it should go to the first. Okay, so this looks better. I think this is what we wanted. All right, now we have this component for a slideshow component for a different artist. Now all we need to do is go to the instance, right? In this case, this is the second instance, and this is where we want to have the explosions in the sky, the new the slideshow we created. So under this component instance, we will look for the slideshow component, slideshow instance, which is this, right? And change this or replace this with the newly created slideshow, which is explosions in the sky. So you click on the slideshow, and once you have done that, you should be able to click on this drop down and yeah, replace it with this one. So yeah, it's replaced, and you have a new slideshow with a different images. Cool. All right, there you go. I hope this was helpful.